Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to make these beautiful colorful birds using yarn. So let's get started. Here we're going to take this paper and roll the yarn around it. You can see the measurement on the screen. Now tie a knot. After this we're going to cut this green color of yarn and we are making 3 different colorful such shapes. Now we're going to tie a knot. So hold green, pink and blue one together and we are going to overlap them. Here we're going to put a tissue paper as well for the circle and tie a knot, give it shape of a bird. Now cut it from the sides and look, it's ready. Put the eyes and beak of the bird, give it shape like this and it's done. Look at this fun craft. Let's make it at home using some yarn and earbuds. Here we are going to cut the tip of the earbud. Now we need these sticks. After this we're going to paste all the sticks around the bottle cap using hot glue gun and give it a shape of bucket. Now we are going to cover it using this blue color of yarn. Put the handles of it and paste a flower and it's ready. Let's make these mini caps at home using yarn. Here we are going to roll this paper and make a ring. Now we are going to tie different threads on the top of it. Here we are going to use this blue color of yarn, cut small pieces and cover the entire ring like this. Now hold it from the top and flip it like this. Tie a knot on the top of it like we are doing here in this video. After tying a knot, we are going to cut the extra part of the yarn from the top, make it even and your cap is ready. Look at these beautiful flowers. Let's make it using yarn. So take a pencil and we are going to paste the top and bottom of the yarn on the top of it. Now we are going to cover the entire pencil using this orange color of yarn. After this we are going to tie a knot at the center using those threads and remove the pencil. After this we are going to tie a knot in a circle. Look, the flower is ready. We are going to use it in so many ways. Here we are going to paste it on the top of the hair clip like this and look, it's ready. We're going to make these beautiful mini hats. You can paste it on rubber bands or clips as well. So let's make it. Here we're going to paste this bottle cap on the top of this paper. Now we're going to roll this jute rope and make a circle like this. Now paste it on the top of the bottle cap and cover the entire cap like this. And we're going to make this hat shape. Cut the extra paper and we're going to tie a bow for more decoration like this. And look, it's ready. Cut the loose ends. You can also paste the clip like this and look, it's ready. Look at these beautiful heart shapes. Let's make it using paper clip. So take a paper clip and we are going to bend it and give it a shape of heart. After this we are going to tie this green color of thread and decorate it further. We are going to tie knots and cover the entire heart shape. Cut the extra part of the thread and look, your paper clip is ready. You can put it like this and look how beautiful these are looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.